Look at this. Oh god. Oh god. Look at that. You guys. You guys see this? This is my papaya tree. I wonder how long it's gonna take before I get some fruit. But anyways, come look at my walrus tree. You guys see that? You guys see that? Look at that. Look at that. You guys see this? Oh yeah. We're gonna be eating good this year. And look, it's still coming out. You guys see that? There's more flour coming out. Like this. So anyways, I don't know about you guys, but I love me some grilled squid, especially the Korean style one. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make grilled squid Korean style. Let's go. So I don't know about you guys, but here in Houston, I like to go to Viet Hoa to get my squid because they are wild caught. So I told the guys to grab me 3 and the total was $12.05. And of course, we gotta go to H-Mart to grab the remaining item. So first thing first, we're gonna need some green onions, and then we're gonna need some sesame oil, and then we are gonna need some honey, and then we're gonna need some cooking wine, some roasted sesame seed, some garlic, some soy sauce, some red pepper powder, and some red pepper paste.
1 hour later.
Alright, so now that we're home with all the ingredients, let's start prepping so we can start eating. I don't know about you guys, but man, I do not like to clean the squid. I like to eat them, but man, cleaning them, it's a different story. Let me show you why. So here we have it, 3 squid, alright? Cost me only $12. And of course, they're not clean. Look at this. Woo. And they don't smell good either. Hold on. Wait till I show you guys. Alright, so make sure you save these bags. Oh god. Okay, you guys see this? Oh, man, I don't know why I'm doing this. Look what happened when I pull it out. Oh god. Look at this. Oh god. Oh god. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh. And make sure you take out the spine. Hold on, there's more. You see that? Oh god, it's like booger. And sometimes you find like little fish in here too. It's not a good feeling. Yep, see that? Little spine right there. Make sure you guys take that out. Play around with it. Okay, I think we're good. All right. I'm gonna wash this in a little bit. Whew. For this one, just gonna cut it right below the eye line. Just cut it. Cut the sack. All right, and right here, there's a little beak right here. You see it? Yeah. push it up. And then you remove it. You guys see that? It's actually a beak. Look at that. And this part right here, run your finger through it. So that stuff that came out, look at that. Oh, man. Make sure you do this for every single one of them. You see that? See, now you see why they charge you like $8 or $9 for one. Because all the work you have to do to prep. Okay. So what to do is, to make it look good, I'm just gonna cut the rest of this. A little nice and a tentacle. Be easy to cook too. Look at that. Nice, huh? All right. So you got two more. Oh my God! Look at this one. You guys see this? Holy cow! What is this? Oh man. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. You guys, I wish you guys could see my face right now. That does not look good. Oh lordy. Still want to eat squid now? Woo! The last one. And it's huge. Woo! And now it's the fun part. We gotta go back and make sure everything is clean. Alright, so now it's the fun part. So I learned this cutting technique from Daniel from Future Neighbor. You guys can go ahead and check out his videos. This is where I learned from my stuff from. So we have the squid right here with the tail part. And what you do is you turn it 90 degrees. Alright. And you leave a thumb, about thumb side before you start cutting. So, careful guys, very slippery. And then when you push it back, for me, it's an okay cut. You guys see that? Yeah. You watching this? Thank you, Daniel. Okay, and you do the same thing with the other squid. See? Laying flat. Right here. Turn it 90 degrees. And leave a thumb side space. And you start cutting. Alright, we're gonna rinse this up one more time. Make sure this time we got everything. And if this is your first time cooking squid, the thing about them is, you know, if you cook them while they're wet, you will get pop. Okay, so while we wait for our squid to dry, we are going to prepare the sauce. So for the red pepper paste, you're gonna need 2 tablespoonfuls. 1, 2, and then we're gonna need 2 tablespoonfuls of red pepper powder. So that's 1, 2, and then we're gonna need about 1 tablespoonful of fresh garlic. Alright, that looks like 1 tablespoonful of chopped garlic. And that go into the bowl. And then we're gonna need 1 tablespoonful of soy sauce. And then we're gonna need 1 tablespoonful of cooking wine. And then we're gonna need 2 tablespoonful of honey. That's 1, and that's 2. And then 1 tablespoonful of sesame oil. And then a few shake of this sesame seed. And now the fun part. You gotta mix it all up together. Give it a taste. Oh, add some onion in there. It's spicy. It's a little kick to it. Oh yeah. Of course, you're gonna need one of this so you can brush it on the squid. All right, so before we start cooking, I'm gonna chop these scallion up real quick so we can use this as a garnish later on. We're gonna turn this on to medium heat. I'm gonna add the oil. Alright guys, so we're gonna throw our squid in. You gotta hold this bad boy down. You got room for one more? Scoot over. It might look big, but when, you know, after you're done cooking them, it becomes small. Now flip it onto the other side. Ooh. Make sure you hold them down. I'm gonna throw these in too. You got room, no worries. Alright, so right about now they look done. So we're gonna turn to low heat. We are gonna start to paste these squid with this sauce. Make them look all nice. You get some love too. Yeah. We're gonna flip it over to the other side and we're gonna do the same thing. Look at that, guys. Alright. Pretty much done. Are you guys drooling? No? Stop lying. You know you are. Look at this. Woo! So we're gonna finish off with some green onions. Oh yes. And then we got one more thing. Got some sesame seed. Now I know if you guys go to a Korean restaurant, this right here would have been $15 each. And we're getting 3 for $12. So I'm saving you guys big time. That's $33. $33 I'm saving you guys. So you guys ready to eat? Because I'm hungry. Man, that was a lot of work for this. I'm sure it's worth it. Passion fruit. Alright guys, so hold on. I love the sauce. Okay. Alright. Oh man, you guys see that? Yeah. Dip in the sauce. Wow. Wow. Finger looking good. It's like eating at the store. Except it's much cheaper. You know, it's a little bit spicy. And you know, the squid is you know, come on. Can't really go wrong with squid. I think of all my seafood, I think I like squid the most. So good. And really, I can eat this all day, every day. And like I said earlier, this at the store would have cost you $45. We made it at home, we saved $33. Wow. If you guys haven't had squid before, so basically, you know, it's a little bit chewy, but in a good way. And this sauce just took it to another level. Tastes a little bit spicy, but not too much. Not too much that I'm sweating, you know? I'm not there yet. Oh, that's good. And when you dip with this tinsu sauce, it's like, wow. And Daniel, if you're watching this, thank you so much for your recipe. And you guys should definitely try and make this, especially you, Mai. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you're staying to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. By the way, you guys want to hear a joke? Ready? All right. Okay, Dad, gonna ask you a question, okay? Do you want another baby brother or baby sister?
No! 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 No!
Why not?